Candlestick charting is a simple yet effective method that is a core part of general price action analysis. It can be used to clarify past and present market developments and provide insights into future market context. Learning about general price action and candle patterns is straightforward for the most part, but using these skills effectively under real live market conditions takes a lot of time and practice in order to accumulate experience and develop skill. Studying and practicing with chart examples is a great way to condense years of experience. That is why the majority of content will focus on lots of practice case studies utilizing chart examples that help clarify the process of chart analysis before, during, and after the development of price action and candle pattern formations. First, there will be a discussion about general price action concepts, followed by an outline of candle patterns. Then there will be a series of detailed case studies focusing on certain types of price action and candle patterns. The final section has an assortment of case studies that covers a wide range of candle patterns and price action. This allows for enhanced practice since the exact candle patterns and price action being examined won't be known ahead of time. And it will allow for practice of more quickly identifying certain price action and candle patterns similar to live market conditions. There will be hundreds of situations covered from various markets such as the stock market, currencies, and commodity futures. So get ready to practice with lots and lots of charts.